So I've got 4 floors and here's the staircase, and I want to get rid of all this gungy white paint on them all. So let's try getting it off. I've tried paint stripper and I've tried a hot air gun and it's not very good, but I've come up with a solution that may work, so let's see. So this is what I've got. I've got it from the supermarket, and what it is, as you probably can guess, is a vegetable peeler. It's a brand new, very sharp vegetable peeler. I'm going to try my best to scrape off that paint with this vegetable peeler. It sounds really daft, doesn't it? But you know what? It may just work. So let's give it a go. Right, so I've got so it's a case of taking off the top layers, several layers of paint on this. So I'm just taking off all the layers first. It's a messy job, obviously, because all the paint goes all over. But I'm just going to show you now quickly, and then what I'll do is I'll do all of it and then show you how it is after I've done it. Obviously it takes time and patience. Try and keep it sort of fairly even, and then you won't scrape your wood underneath. So it's all coming away now. And what I'm going to do is just do the handrail and keep the bars underneath all white. I did try it with the burner, but obviously the burner is very messy as well. I have tried it with paint stripper, which is very messy. The burner is quite smelly. And when you've done all that, it'll take quite a while to do it all, obviously. I'll show you what it's like on the next handrail down because I've done quite a lot more. So now this is the next rail I've done, and I've took all the white off. Okay, and there's just these odd bits. I'm going to go over this and get every bit off. And you must get a nice piece of sandpaper then, so that you can use the sandpaper then to get all the light little bits off, like so. Don't go mad, because you don't want to scratch down and damage your wood, alright? Because if you do it too deep, you're going to end up with your wood all cut into. So just take your time, and then obviously you start to get it like so. And I've done all that on the end, and I've also done the knob as well, and I need a bit of sandpaper on that. And then this is the one that I've already done, and I'm just down to it being really, really smooth now, and the knob. And what I'm going to do is just have some very fine sandpaper on this, so that we'll get all that nicely rubbed down, and then we'll wax it. So it's so easy to get it without your burner and without paint stripper. So just by using vegetable peeler, it's so easy. Hope it inspires you. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the end result because I've got 4 stairs to do, but I wanted to show you what happens. And I'll touch up these little bits of spindles with white paint, and then it's all done. But I wanted to come on and show you just how easy this has been. It really is truly simple. Thanks for watching, guys. More tips as they come.